Hello, Juniors Burshul with your notes for the 12th of December 2021, Sunday. Right, let's start off with sentence construction. And as I explained to you, these sentences are for speaking, writing, and tests as well. Do not think that these tests are just some useless stuff and actually speaking is something else. If you want to speak properly, you have to be able to construct sentences, and they are the same. You speak what you write what you speak, and the tests are also pretty much the same. Tests can be a little bit different, just a little different sometimes, but usually they aren't. Alright, number one, people speak English all over the world. So how to change this sentence while keeping the same meaning, right? We do not want to change the meaning, so English is spoken all over the world, very good, and English is spoken all over the world by the people or by its people, okay. Both are perfectly fine. The one in red is incorrect. In English is a language international. No, that is not right. English is an international language. That would be correct. However, this one is not correct. English is a language international. Right, so the sentences in purple are correct, but they're not the answer to this particular question. So they don't have the same meaning. However, they are correct, and please do use them in your conversation. So English is a language that is used all over the world. Very good. And English is a language that is spoken all over the world. Very good. Excellent sentences. But remember, they are not the answer to this because you have changed the meaning. However, they are very good sentences. Alright. Number two, people eat baguettes in France. Alright, so baguettes are eaten by people in France. The green one is correct. The ones in orange or yellow, baguettes are eaten in France by people. Okay. Put people before. So by people. In France later. So then it's much better. It's okay. It's not wrong. But it's not very good. And baguettes are eaten by French people. Again, by French people. By the French or something like that, but not French people. Again, both of these are correct, but they are not very good. So the ones in purple are good, but they don't answer the question. The ones in yellow are not very good, but they are okay. Okay, number three, she likes listening to classical music. She's interested in classical music. She's interested in listening to classical music is also okay. It's not wrong at all. But it's a bit too long. So just say she's interested in classical music. Alright, number four, would you like to go to the movies with me? He asked me. He invited me to watch movies with him. That does not make sense. Don't make such sentences. He invited me to watch a movie with him. Good. He invited me to watch movies with him. Also good. But they do not answer the question. He did not say come and watch a movie with me. Did he say that? Would you like to watch a movie with me? No, he said would you like to go to the movies with me? Hence he invited me to go to the movies with him. That's the perfect answer, and it's correct as well. So remember, go to the movies means go to the cinema hall, to the mall, perhaps wherever the cinema hall might be. So will you watch a movie? Maybe, maybe not. Perhaps, perhaps not. It's just an expression. Go to the movies does not mean you always watch a movie. Usually you do, but not always. So have you ever gone to the movies and not seen a movie? Yes, lots of times with my friends. Excellent. Okay. Number five, the boy is too young to drive a car. He's too young to legally drive a car. Again, the ones in purple, good, but not the answer. Why? Because the meaning has been changed. The meaning is not similar. So because you've added legally here and it wasn't there. Okay, but it's a good sentence. He's too young to drive a car. He's too young to be driving. Very good. He's too young to be driving a car. Okay, all these are very good and perfectly fine. 6. If she doesn't come, we'll call him. Kindly note that if she does not come, then we will call him. Unless she comes, we will not call him is not correct, because then you have changed the meaning completely. It means the exact opposite now. Unless she comes, we'll call him. Right, so now the meaning is similar or the same as the original sentence. So unless she comes, we'll call him. And remember, it's unless. Right, so don't get that wrong again. Okay, number 7. The ladder is way too high. It's not safe. Okay. First of all, the expressions aren't very good, but people do use them in their everyday conversation, and it's alright. It's not wrong at all. I'm just saying it's just not too, doesn't have a lot of quality, that's all. Okay, the one in yellow, as the ladder was too high, it's not safe. Okay, but why have you changed the tense? Why did you make it was? And it's not incorrect, but it's not very good. The ones in purple are good, but the meaning is a bit different. In fact, it's not very different in this particular case only. The case of number 7, as the ladder is way too high, it's not safe. As the ladder is so high, it's not safe. Okay, as the ladder is so high, it's unsafe. That's the best. It's unsafe. It's not safe, it's unsafe. Right. Number 8, the man is tall, he's my teacher. The man who is tall is my teacher. Okay, it's not wrong, but improve it. The tall man is my teacher. That's all. Very simple. Write the simple sentences. Number 9, it's a pity he can't come to the party. Okay, I wish he could come. Remember, I wish he could. Number 10, her father drives carefully. Her father is a driver. Careful. No, that's not right. Her father is a carefully driver is not correct as well. Her father is driving carefully. Okay, the one in purple is good, but it's the continuous form. The original sentence was not. Her father is a careful driver. That's the best sentence out of this lot. Right, so part B is also sentence construction. But we will understand but, although, even though, and though. How to make sentences, how to join sentences with these, how to shorten them, how to say them out faster, how to write them faster, how to deliver the meaning to the other person quicker. Okay, firstly, although, even though, though. Are they the same, or is there any difference? No difference at all. They're all the same. And how to know which one to use when? Use them as you like. Nobody can challenge you and say, no, you should have used even though instead of using although. Nobody can do that. And please note the spelling, not although. They're not two different words. It's just one word, although. One L only, not two L's. Alright, number 1, she eats a lot, and this was a very good example. She does not get fat. So now see, look at this, there are two different sentences. She eats a lot, full stop. She does not get fat, another stop right there. So first we will join this sentence using these sentences using but. So but goes right in the center, right over there. Right over there. She eats a lot, but she does not get fat. Alright. How to use this with although, even though, or though. Although she eats a lot, she does not get fat. Okay, so there should be a comma after eats a lot, and there should be a comma, but I'm not doing the commas and the punctuation now. We're just understanding how to make simple sentences. We'll do the commas and all that stuff later on. Although she eats a lot, she does not get fat. Even though she eats a lot, she does not get fat. And though she eats a lot, she does not get fat or doesn't get fat. So that's how you do it. Similarly, number 2, he's a human, he can fly. Okay, he's a human, but he can fly. Usually humans cannot fly, but he can fly. Although he's a human, he can fly. Though he is a human, he can fly. Even though he is a human, he can fly. So see, the but was in the center, right in the center. And although, though, even though, they are all in the beginning. So that's how you do it. And when you speak it out, it's really smooth and easy. It's not complicated, it's not difficult at all. And number 3, although I was really tired, I could not sleep. So we thought we would break down this sentence and make 2 sentences from this one, sorry. But I was really tired, I could not sleep is incorrect. We put the but in the beginning. I was really tired, but I could not sleep. Correct. I was really tired, Full stop. I could not sleep. That is also correct. So that's all for today's notes. Please write your notes. Please watch the other videos. All the links are always in the description below, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye. Adios.